Hello everyone to another session of Speed Maths. So this time we will be covering the percentages. So this is a very important concept because it is very important to remember all the standard percentages which will help you make your calculations faster. It is not possible to every time go for the division and find out what is the percentage, but if you remember some of the standard values, it would be very easy for you to solve the sums quicker. So let's see how do we remember these. Uh, just a disclaimer here that by going through once you cannot remember this, so practice is key. Keep on going through these standards. Maybe make a paper or template, sort of take a printout, post it on your room, something. But every now and then go through these for a few days, and once you are thorough with it, you won't forget it. So practice is key here. So let's see how do we remember this. I'm sure many of you the initial ones will easily remember. So just to make sure, to confirm here that all these values are represented in percentage. So for example, what I mean by that is, say 1 by 2, ideally in fraction would be 0.5, but percentage means multiplied by 100, so it will give you 50%. So that way all are being calculated. So let's see how do we remember now. This is easy, first one, 1 by 2. 1 by 3 also you can remember, 33.33. 1 by 4 is easy to remember. 1 by 5 is 20%. Now we need to start remembering. So remember 1 by 6, 16.66. This is easy to remember fairly. 1 by 6 can be done, 16.66. Next, see 1.7. So 1.7, we can see that 1.7 is 14.28. So how we can remember is 1.7, 7 into 2, 14, 14 into 2, 28. Okay. So 1 by 7 is 7 into 2, 14, 14 into 2, 28. So 1 by 7 is 14 by 28. Now 1 by 8 is easy to remember. It's half of 1 by 4. So 25, half of 25% is 12.5%. Now we'll first we'll look these two as pair. Okay, what I mean by that is, if you see 1 by 9 is 11.11 and 1 by 11 is 9.09. So these two as a pair you can remember, 1 by 9 is 11.11% and 1 by 11 is 9.09%. 1 by 10 is 10%, easy to remember, everyone knows this. Moving on, 1.12. 1.12 is again half of 1 by 6. What is 1 by 6? 16.6 is, which we already covered. So half of this also is taken care of. Now 1 by 13 is 1, which you will have to remember. Yeah, 1 by 13 is 1, which you will have to remember, which is 7.69. I don't have any specific key point to how to remember this, but if there is anything, please drop on the comment so that it is helpful for others as well as for me. But in case you don't find anything, it is, you just have to remember 1 by 13 as 7.69. This is the only term where you will have to remember. Rest all we have some of the other method or to remembering it. So 1 by 13 is 7.69. Next is 1 by 14. Now 1 by 14 is again what? Half of 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is 14.28. So half is 7.14. Easy to remember. Next is 1.5. So 1.5 is one third of 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 we have as 20%. One third is 6.67. Now 1 by 17, 1 by 18 and 1 by 19. Remember these three in one go. So how do we do is, 1 by 17 is 5.9, 1.18 is 5.6, 1 by 19 is 5.3. So remember any one and the rest 3 is just zero point 0.3 difference. So you see 5.9 minus zero point 0.3, 5.6 minus zero point 0.3, 5.3. So this is not exact value. Exact value would be different. So for example, this is 5.88, this is 5.55, and this is 5.26 something. Okay, but yeah, by rounding it out to single decimal point, we get it as 1.5.9, 5.6, and 5.3. And 1 by 20, everyone knows it's 5%. So this is how we will remember all these percentages. It helps you to get to the answer quickly in many of the ratios and proportion, cost price, selling price, these type of problems. So do not ignore this. This is very important concept. Just be sure to remember 1 by 13. Rest of the percentages you can easily remember. I hope this helps. Any doubt, anything, just drop in a comment and we'll try to address it. Thank you.